check me out. Yo, some people know me as a stripper hoe. The stripper hoes get the money and blow digits though. A lot of bitches talking down on me like I'm a joke. Talk shit, I fucking man, send him back, hella broke. Good morning. It might not be morning when you get to watch this, but it's morning right now. This is my first vlog. I'm super excited. You know, I know my channel is everywhere. It's not really everywhere, but I can't help that I do multiple things. So I really can't just do one thing on my YouTube channel. And I'm sorry I've been away for so long. Y'all, I do not like editing, and sometimes I just be on chill mode, but you know, I'm starting to get me some little subscribers, so I figured, you know, let me get y'all something. But I did do my hair in some boho braids, so I wanted to share that with you. And I had them in for 3 weeks, so I'm gonna give you like a review, how I honestly feel about them, and yeah. But I'm gonna come on be cute when no, I'm lying. I'm not about to do no makeup for this, okay? Y'all get it. But I'll be back. So I am back, and this is the hairstyle. I did add this lock with the other one, and about 2 of these, because eventually, I say after next week, I'm gonna turn them into goddess locks or whatever. But I basically added the hair too. But I'm gonna be honest, this hair right here got so nappy. So I wound up adding some human hair towards the front, like right here. I just got it off a track. Like I cut some hair off a track and did it. Which I should have did before, but you know, whatever. But this is about a long. It's about, I say 20 on me, about 26 inches. This is how the ends look. I mean, to me, when I see girls with this style, it's very high maintenance. I don't see how, like, to be honest, I never seen the old version. I always see people putting it in. So this is the first, you know, initial for me. The ends is pretty okay. I do spray it down with wet and wavy spray. But this regular hair right here, oh my God, that hair got so nappy. Like, I had to cut some off, but overall it's a nice style. I just say if you're gonna try this style, at least use human hair, because bitch, this hair, it gets so nappy really quick. So the hair that I used was freetress hair. I don't even have the it was freetress hair. I want to say deep wave. The length was 22. The top I use bohemian, because the curls are different from the bottom and the top curls. And yeah, that's about it. And some products that I use to keep the hair halfway decent. This was the best stuff. You get this from the beauty spot store for $4.99. And who was I? Y'all just see. This stuff right here, I'm gonna be honest, it was the best stuff. I tried the wig spray. The wig spray just put a shine on it. So I was like, well, let me get something that conditions and keep the curls. So that's been, you know, helping. Plus at night, what I do, I just put it up in a bun and sleep like that to keep the hair, you know, together, because before I was sleeping on it and it was really getting nappy, and I was like, oh hell no, it's only been 3 days. So, but basically this is how it looks. I did decorate it. I love this style. Like, my husband loved this style. He like, babe, keep it, look like it's yours. I'm like, really? Okay. If you say so. But I say if you have this style, make sure you wrap it up. Like I said, I put mine in a bun. Make sure you keep it conditioned, especially because this is synthetic hair. And you know, sometimes, like I said, you can clip the ends of it when you start seeing it look really, really bad. But I recommend, if you do this hairstyle, try to do it with human hair. Because my next time I do this, I'm going to do it with human hair. You know, I just feel like it might last longer. The hair is okay. That's probably why it looks so natural, because the hairdo looks natural, but I ain't with it. So I hope this was helpful. I'm gonna come back. This only been 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks. So I'm gonna try to, next time you see this hairstyle, it's gonna be goddess locks. Cause I'm gonna get my, I don't feel like taking the braids out. That's just too much. But I hope this was helpful. Make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification button. I know sometimes, not sometimes, all the time, you know, I don't be on time with my videos, but I'm about to start, you know, doing some what. If y'all want to see me do some vlogs, let me know. I'm everywhere. I do hair, I sew. If you want to see me do some vlogs with me actually sewing and doing hair, let me know these things, y'all. I need to know. I need some content. But like I said, thanks for watching. Make sure you, if you like it, just make sure you like it. And yeah.